Stop. If you are working hard, but still feel broke, you might be making these money mistakes without realizing it. And one of them is silently destroying your financial future. Mistake number 1. Living without a budget. Most people think budgeting means restriction, but budgeting is actually freedom. Because when you don't control your money controls you. Without a budget, small daily expenses quietly drain your wealth. Coffee here, subscriptions there, impulse purchases you barely notice. Individually, they seem small, but over time, they destroy financial stability. Mistake number 2. Saving instead of investing. Saving money feels responsible, and it is, but only to a certain point. Because inflation slowly reduces the value of your money every year. If your money sits in a savings account, it is quietly losing purchasing power. Saving protects money, investing grows money. Confusing the two is one of the biggest reasons people stay financially stuck. Mistake number 3. Lifestyle inflation. Every time your income increases, your lifestyle increases with it. A better phone, a newer car, more subscriptions, more monthly payments. You feel like you are moving forward, but financially, you stay in the same place. Lifestyle inflation feels like success, while secretly preventing wealth. And if this habit continues, no salary will ever feel enough. Mistake number 4. Waiting too long to invest. Most people think they need a lot of money to start investing. That is not true. Time is more powerful than money. Someone who invests small amounts early often builds more wealth than someone who invests large amounts later, because compound growth rewards patience and punishes delay. Every year you wait costs you future wealth. Mistake number 5. Never learning how money works. Schools teach us how to work for money, but rarely teach us how money actually works. Most people never learn about investing, compound growth, asset building, or financial strategy. And what you don't understand, you can't control. This mistake keeps people stressed, dependent, and financially insecure. Here is the good news. You don't need to fix everything today. Fix just one mistake. Because small, smart decisions repeated over time can completely change your financial future. If you want to understand money in a simple and practical way, this channel is built for you. Like and subscribe for more.